Hello, my dear friends. Today we're talking about not freaking out during the holiday season because you have clutter. I'm going to give you 3 tips on keeping your house streamlined throughout the season. Now, you may have clutter, and so you may have several Monica closets, where all your stuff is shoved, or maybe a back bedroom, or maybe a basement. I know you, but you've got to get your living room, your kitchen, your bathroom organized and clean for company. So the 3 steps are, number 1, we're going to do a 45-minute clean with a 15-minute rest over and over again until it's done. So that's step 1. So we're going to work on the living room for 15 minutes, putting everything that doesn't have a home in a basket and taking it to your secret space. Now, we're going to address that in step number 3, but take it to your secret space. Everything that's trash, you're going to throw away. Everything that has a home and you know where it goes and it can fit in that home, goes in that home. So you're going to work in little parts of the room for 15 minutes until your 15 minutes is up. 15 minutes is up. Then you're going to go to the kitchen and you're going to do the exact same thing. Everything that doesn't belong in there, that doesn't have a home, is going in a basket to be put in your secret place. And then you're going to throw away all the trash, and then you're going to put everything that has a home away, working for 15 minutes in a small section of the kitchen. And then you're going to go to the bathroom and do the exact same thing. Everything that doesn't have a home is going in a basket to be put in your secret place. Everything that does have a home is going to be put in those places. And everything that's trash is going in the garbage. So that's 15 minutes in the living room, 15 minutes in the kitchen, and 15 minutes in the bathroom. Now we're going to complete the process. We're going to take the trash out to the garbage if the bag is full. Now you're going to keep working this. So if the bag's not full, you can keep it. Normally you get rid of it, but for this, you're going to keep it. If you have any giveaway when you're doing this, just put it in a giveaway box and stick it in the back of the car. And then you're going to take that basket with the put away and you're going to go put it away where it goes. And you've already put your little basket of hidey stuff in the bedroom or wherever you hide things, okay? So you're going to do that, and then you're going to sit down with a glass of water, a bottle of water, a cup of tea, whatever, and you're going to time yourself for 15 minutes, and you're going to rest and think about what you're going to do next. And then when the timer's up, you're going to get up. Now you're on a mission. This is like a job. This is not something where honey can say, honey, I need you to come help me do so-and-so. You've already told everybody you're doing chaos cleaning. You've got to get the house in order. And if they want to help you, they can. If they want to bother you, they have to come help you. They can't bother you, okay? Do it again and again on repeat until it's done. Once everything is looking nice, not looking in the closet, not looking in the drawers, not looking in the, but everything looks nice, then you're going to do step 2. And that is to give it a thorough vacuum in the living room, a good 15-minute vacuum. Go into the kitchen, give it a good sweep and a good mop, about 15 minutes, and go into the bathroom, give it a good sweep and a good mop. The third thing you're going to do is you're going to take a microfiber cloth and you're going to wipe down all the surfaces in your living room, window sills, like this little area right here, tabletops. You're going to get dust gone. You're going to do that to all 3 rooms. It is going to look so much better. That's the 3 steps to getting it to look nice. Now, that's 3 steps to getting it to look nice. That's not the 3 steps. That's 1 step. Step number 2 is all those baskets that you hid in your secret place, you cannot leave them there. When the holiday is over, it is the number 1 thing on your agenda to pull those out and to separate them into places that they need to go. So let's say that part of it goes in your bedroom, and part of it goes in your daughter's room, and part of it goes in the basement, and part of it goes in the shed, and part of it goes in the living room, whatever it is. You're going to take those things, because there's no room in your closets and your hidden spaces, and you're going to stack them in the corner of each room. okay? Behind a chair in the corner somewhere, and kids are not to touch it. So you have to be in charge of that. So that as you are decluttering in 2023, you're going to be decluttering the hidden spaces, the cabinets, the shelves, the closet, the drawers. You're going to get those cleaned out over time. It's going to take a while. And then eventually these things that you deemed worthy to save, that you love, need, and use and didn't have a place for, they're going to have a place. So that's step 2. That's the 2023 plan. Step 2. Step 3 is I want you to take care of yourself, so that if you are cooking or entertaining or whatever it is, you need to schedule that out so that you're not like that when people come over, because they can tell, and it's not fun for them, and it's definitely not fun for you. So you want to be able to make sure that you're getting your sleep, that you're getting your bath, that you're brushing your teeth, that you're moisturizing your skin, that you're fixing your hair, that you're getting dressed for the occasion, that you smell good, okay? That you have a little makeup on, a little jewelry on, you smell good, you look good, you feel good, you're rested, and then you can be the wonderful hostess. That will get you through the holiday without too much scariness, okay? All right. Now, the other thing you want to do, which is not part of the 3 steps, but it is important, is keep your routines up. So that means every morning before you do anything, you get up and you make your bed and you wash your face and you brush your teeth and you moisturize your skin and you fix your hair and you put a little makeup on if you wear it, and you wipe out the sink in the bathrooms with an S, and you swish the toilet bowls in the bathrooms, and then you put your clothes on, you put your pajamas away, you go into the kitchen and you put all your clean dishes away every single morning, so that you have a place for dirty dishes during the day. If you have to hand wash your dishes, wash them after every meal, and then the next meal, empty out the dish rack and get it ready for the next dishes that you're going to do, okay? If you have a dishwasher, hopefully it contains all of your dishes for the day, so that at the end of the day, you run your dishes and in the morning you empty it. That's the idea, okay? Next is you want to run your laundry. Make sure you're doing laundry, keeping your laundry up, because when your guests come, they're going to need clean towels in the bathroom. And we're talking about day guests. We're not talking about overnight guests. If your house is in the shape that I think it's in, you don't need overnight guests. If it's too late, then you'll need to do the same thing you did with the living room, kitchen, and bathroom with their bedroom. And they'll need a place to put their clothes, at least a place to put their suitcase. Okay, make sure they have clean sheets. All right, the next thing is on the routines is that you want to make sure you're feeding yourself lunch and feeding your children lunch and drinking your water on a schedule, and that you're doing clutter stops. So in these areas you've just cleaned, you need to make sure they stay cleaned by looking around morning, noon, and night to see if anything is left out. Look at it through the eyes of a third person. Look at it through your camera lens on your phone. Do it so that you can see that glove or that cup or that book that's laying out that doesn't need to be there, because one glove, one book, and one cup soon become 12 and 15 and 30 items. So really important. And then finally, at the end of the day, you're going to run your dishwasher, you're going to go brush your teeth and floss your teeth, and you're going to get to bed on time. Oh, I left out something. You're going to do your before bed routine, which means after you get your kitchen cleaned after dinner, you got to clean up after dinner, it's important. Then you're going to go and take your shower, your bath, brush your teeth, not brush your teeth, wash your face, moisturize your skin, put on your PJs, and lay out your clothes for the next day. And then right before bed, you're going to run the dishwasher, go brush your teeth and floss, and go to bed on time, okay? So it helps if you get up 30 minutes before the rest of the family in the morning to start your routines. But this will save you during the holidays. That's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.